After she let herself be taken by lecherous, unfaithful adulterers, she sighed deeply and repented. But even when she turned her face from the adulterers, she ran to others, and they compelled her to live with them and make love with them on their beds as if they were her masters. Then, out of shame, she no longer dared leave them, while they double-crossed her, pretending to be faithful, true husbands as if they respected her. After all these acts, they took off, abandoning her. She became a poor, desolate widow, helpless. In her affliction, she had no food. From them, she had gathered nothing but the defilements when they coupled with her. Her offspring from the adulterers are mute, blind, and sickly. They are disturbed. But when her Father, who is above, looked down on her and saw sighing, suffering, and in disgrace, and repenting of her prostitution, then she began to call on him for help with all her heart, saying, "Save me, my Father. I will report to you, for I left my house and fled from my woman's quarters. Restore me to yourself." When he saw her in this state, he thought her worthy of his mercy. She had many afflictions for having abandoned her house. The prostitution of the soul. Concerning the prostitution of the soul, the Holy Spirit prophesies in diverse places. The prophet Jeremiah said, "If a man divorces his wife, and she leaves him and takes another man, can she ever go back to him? Has such a woman not utterly defiled herself? You have whored with many shepherds, and you return to me," said the Lord. "Lift up your eyes and see where you went whoring. Were you not sitting in the streets defiling the land with your whoring and vices? And you took many shepherds for a way of stumbling. You were shameless with everyone. You did not call on me as a companion, or father, or author of your virginity." It is also written in the prophet Hosea, "Come, go before the law with your mother, for she is not to be my wife, nor I her husband. I shall remove her whoring from my presence, and her adultery from between her breasts. I shall make her naked as on the day she was born, and desolate like a waterless land. I shall make her childless and long for children. I shall show her children no pity, for they are children of prostitution, their mother having whored and shamed her children." She said, "I shall be a whore to my lovers. They gave me my bread and water and garments, and clothes and wine and oil, and everything I needed. I shall shut them up so that she will not be able to chase after her adulterers. When she seeks them and doesn't find them, she will say, 'I will go back to my former husband, for I was happier than now.'" Again in Ezekiel he said, "It happened that after much depravity the Lord said, 'You built yourself a brothel, and you made yourself a beautiful place in the street. You built whorehouses in every alley, and you wasted your beauty. You spread your legs in every alley and multiplied your acts of prostitution. You were a whore for the sons of Egypt, those who are your neighbors, men great of flesh.' But what does the sons of Egypt, men great of flesh, signify, if not the domain of the flesh, and the perceptible realm, and the affairs of the earth, by which the soul is defiled here, receiving bread from them as well as wine, oil, clothing, and the other external nonsense surrounding the body, whose things she thinks she needs. But as to this whoring, the messengers of the Savior commanded, 'Guard and purify yourself against it,' and not just the body's prostitution, but especially the soul's. That is why the messengers write to the churches of God, that such whoring might not go on here. Yet the greatest struggle is the prostitution of the soul. From it comes the prostitution of the body. So Paul, writing to the Corinthians, said, 'I wrote in my letter, do not associate with whores,' meaning not the whores of the world, or the greedy, or thieves, or idol worshippers, since then you would have to leave the world. He is speaking spiritually. Our struggle is not against flesh and blood, he said, but against the world rulers of this darkness and the spirits of evil." Baptism of the soul. As long as the soul goes on running around everywhere, sleeping with whomever she meets and defiling herself, she will suffer her deserved punishment. But when she perceives the trouble she is in, weeps before her Father and repents, then the Father will pity her and make her womb turn from the external and turn inward again, and she will recover her proper character. It is not like this for a woman. The body's womb is inside the body like the other internal organs, but the soul's womb is turned to the outside like male genitalia, which are external. Therefore, when the womb of the soul,